that we are going to go through is to learn about food labels. The second objective is going to be to describe each term that is in a food label, and so I'm going to do 3 of those today. The next one is how to track your calorie intake and how to read food labels so that you can put them into a MyPlate app. And the last thing is the importance of food labels. So to get started today, I'm going to put up 3 definitions of protein, carbohydrates, and sodium. And I would like every kid to write this down in the notebook because there's going to be a quiz on it later in this week. So the definition of protein is used to build up, maintain, and replace tissues in your body. The most important ones that you can think of as a protein are beef, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, nuts, and seeds. And there's tons more, but those are the main things that I know that you 7th graders can think of. So I'm going to write that on here. Beef, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products. The next definition is going to be carbohydrates. That is, foods that provide energy to the body turns into glucose, which is sugar. So sugar produces glucose, which gives you energy. So fruits that have natural sugars, pasta, bread, and other things that are carbohydrates. The next thing is sodium. Sodium is salts that enter your body that help maintain the iron deficiency in your body. And so that is like things that you can think of like garlic butter or garlic or soda, like salt on the table or anything that has like seasoning on it. That is what your sodium gets to. Okay, next I'm going to teach the food label. After all the students have written this down, then we are going to draw. I'm going to draw a carton of milk. Okay, it looks like a pumpkin, but it'll be fine. So say that on the carton of milk, there is going to be calories. So let's just say it has like 360 calories in this serving. So it'll describe serving for this whole container. So say a gallon. So this will be the information and all the proteins and sodiums and carbohydrates or dairy products or whatever in this gallon. And it'll have per serving. So per serving here and then 2 together. So let's say protein here, sodium here, whatever. And so how you calculate this into MyPlate app is that you take these, and so you say, okay, here's my app, and it says calories for the day. You put 360 in the dairy because it'll have dairy on there with the proteins. And so we can go over this more. Reading food labels is very important because it has to do with your health and has to do with your everyday life. Everybody eats food every single day, and that's what's going to help you every single day